Hi everyone, so good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great and I'm also fine. So, today's topic about titration. What do you mean by titration? Titration it is a technique where a solution of known concentration is used to determine the concentration of an unknown solution. Titration it is a process of chemical analysis in which the quantity of some constituent of a sample is determined by adding to the measured sample an exactly known quantity of another substance with which the desired constituents react in a definite known proportion. What is the purpose of titration? To determine the concentration of a substance by reacting that substance with another substance of known concentration in a reaction. What is the principle of titration? Basic principle of the titration is solution. A so-called titrant or standard solution is added to sample to be analyzed. The titrant contains a known concentration